Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'll be doing some soft-spoken yoga for bed. You don't need anything for this routine, so let's go ahead and get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, go ahead and save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Hi guys, and welcome to our sleepy time yoga session. Join me as I rest and relax and get you ready for bed. Let's go ahead and start by gently making very small circles with our head. Draw a very small circle on the ceiling. Gradually making that circle a little bigger. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Reverse, starting with a very small circle. Gradually getting bigger. Breathing in and out. Nice, you guys. Go ahead, take your right hand, wrap it around, grab your left. Take a nice stretch and go ahead and lean your head where this shoulder is away from your arms and tilt it that way up and back. So give it a tilt to the side and a little bit upward. Breathing in and out. Relaxing deeper. And coming back to neutral, treating to the next side, and leaning the next direction, side and up. Really letting go of that head. Deep breath in and out. A little further. And back to neutral. Nice, you guys. Let's go ahead and curl all the way in as far as you can go. Deep breath in. Exhale, chest forward. And again, curving the spine. And chest forward. One last time, inhale. Exhaling up. Nice, you guys. Let's go ahead and lie on our backs. Let's right away hug those knees in. Gently holding the knees, rocking them forward and back and side to side. And circular motions. Anything that feels good to give your lower back a little bit of a massage. And whenever you're ready, put your feet on the ground. Gently twist your knees to the left side, upper body twisting to the right. Deep breath in, exhale out. And switching sides. You can press down with your hand to get an extra twist. Deep breath in. Exhale out. back to neutral. And one more time, hug your knees into the chest. You can go ahead and lift the chin in as well if you'd like. Otherwise, just rest here, hugging those knees into the chest. And whenever you're ready, go ahead, bring the feet down and soles of the feet together, knees apart. And relax here for a second, letting gravity pull the knees down. Deep breath in, exhale out. Feel free to put your hand on your heart, other hand on your tummy, feeling the breath. Keep the breath going in and out. Nice, you guys. Go ahead, grab your hands together, big stretch all the way out. Stretch, 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 stretch as far as you can go. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Breathe in here. Exhale in, knees to the chest. One last time. And again, knees forward, knees back, side to side, or circular motion, whatever feels right. Go ahead, place your feet on the ground. Put your foot to your other leg's knee. Lace your hands through and gently get a nice stretch in that hip. Be gentle with yourself. We're not trying to pull. We're not working on how flexible we can get. This is simply to release any tension that you are still holding on to. Breathing in. Exhaling out. Gently release and switch sides. Release your hands through, grab the back of the knee, and gently pull in. No pulling is required, only if it feels right. Deep breath in, exhale out. Release your legs down. Release your legs. Release your arms. Setting into our Shavasana. Starting at the top of your head, go ahead and release your forehead if there's any tension. Release your cheeks, your jaw. Setting into Shavasana, let's go ahead. Start with our forehead, releasing any tension in the eyebrows, releasing any tension in the cheek or jaw, the eyes settling shut, releasing the neck area, making sure those shoulders are not up to our ears. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Let your upper back go Go deeper into the floor mat, letting the rib cage soften. The hips at total rest, no tension there. The upper leg sinking into your mat. The calves, the Achilles all rested, and your feet relaxed. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Feel free to rest here, feel free to set an intention, and feel free to fall asleep. Namaste, and thank you so much for joining me for this bedtime soft-spoken yoga, and I hope you have sweet dreams. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and if you enjoyed today's video, feel free to download our app Yoga Plus for more, and be sure to check out more videos in my series. I'll see you later!
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.